Well, coming up, the Ocean Institute is having their wonderful Tall Ships Festival, and if you've not been there before for that, it is just a wonderful time. I'd like to welcome Dan Goldbacher. He's sitting right over there. How you doing, Dan?
Doing great.
And welcome back, Alexandra Latona. And Alexandra was with us not too long ago when you brought in some sea creatures for us to look at.
That was fun.
Welcome back. So tell us about this. This has been going on for quite a long time. And it's a wonderful event with a wonderful parade of tall ships, but also all kinds of different things going on all around the Ocean Institute, right?
Yes, absolutely. So this is our 34th annual festival. It's always the weekend after Labor Day, September 7th, 8th, and 9th. And this year we have 8 tall ships that you'll be able to learn more about sailing history and maritime history in California, as well as our ocean science that we have going on every day at the Ocean Institute. We'll have live music, we'll have reenactors out there. It's a great family event that everyone can enjoy.
And we've been to it a couple times before, and what's so much fun is not only learning about the ships, which we'll get to Dan about in just a moment, but for kids, you can have the mermaid experience, and I don't know if do they still have King Triton?
We don't have King Triton, but we do have some very burly pirates.
Okay, and the pirates are a lot of fun.
Pirates are a lot of fun. We do have multiple ways for people to experience our mermaids. So you can come to a mermaid breakfast with a mermaid on Saturday and Sunday morning, where we'll do pancake breakfast, because mermaids love to eat pancakes as well. And then you also get to see them swim in our ROV tank that we use for school programs every day, but we transform it into a mermaid tank. They'll talk a little bit about our local ecosystem, and if mermaids were real, you know, how they might fit into that ecosystem. And then also with our pirates, you know, we have cannon battles on the actual ships themselves, but we'll also actually fire off a cannon during the festival during the day. And we have Captain Jack's Pirate School, so little pirates can learn how to walk, talk, swagger, just like a pirate would.
All right, that'll be a lot of fun. So Dan, tell me about the ships that'll be there, and what do you have, about 8 this time?
Yeah, we have 8 ships this year. We're lucky enough to have our 2 ships, the Brig Pilgrim and the Spirit of Dana Point. All of the ships will be available for tours for the general public throughout the day on Saturday and Sunday. And then this year we're lucky enough on Thursday to be working with the OCDA to bring in students from Title I schools to do a cannon battle on Thursday afternoon. So we're going to have about 200 students coming down from North Orange County, going out on all of the ships and kind of kicking the festival off with giving them the opportunity. On Friday night, we're going to be doing the Parade of Sail as well. So all of our ships will be going out right off of the coastline and doing a cannon salute to the Ocean Institute to kick off the festival. Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have cannon battles as well. They'll be going out for 3-hour sails. Those are open to the public, and it's a lot of fun. It's a great opportunity for people to get out on the water and see how these ships can actually maneuver around each other and how they would have fought in a battle in the 17 or 1800s.
Now, as far as the cannon battles go, how do you sign up for that?
You go to our website, oceaninstitute.org, go to the Tall Ships Festival page, and all the tickets are for sale right on there. They're starting to sell out pretty quick, so we only have a few left for Saturday and Sunday. So.
Okay, that's a lot of fun. And what's great about this is a lot of these ships that you have down there have been used in movies and other tall ships festivals, right?
Yeah, several of these ships were used in Pirates of the Caribbean movies. The Brig Pilgrim was in Steven Spielberg's Amistad, which is a really powerful movie, and really lucky to be a part of that. The Spirit of Dana Point is in several commercials and music videos. And a lot of these ships are from all over Southern California. So anytime you see a tall ship in a commercial or anything like that, a lot of times it'll be one of the ones that are at our event. We're lucky enough to be the only Tall Ships Festival this year on the West Coast. So it's the largest gathering of these old wooden ships on the West Coast this year, which is great.
Yeah. Now, one of these I'm looking at the Bill of Rights.
Yes.
And it says the home port is Chula Vista?
Yeah, so they're based out of Chula Vista, southern San Diego County.
Yeah.
This is the year they're coming back.
Is Chula Vista on the water?
It's close to the water.
Okay.
They consider that their home port.
I was going to say, I know it's inland.
Yeah, they consider that their home port.
Okay.
So they're close
I was
enough,
looking
yeah.
at that going, wait a second, I know there's the water park there, but maybe they're considering that.
They consider that their home port.
So it's a lot of fun, and they all come in Thursday?
All the ships will be coming in either Wednesday or Thursday, and just being at our dock. It's a really fun experience to watch them coming down the mouth of the harbor.
Yeah.
And you really get to see them in all their glory. The crews get there. They're all excited to join us at the Ocean Institute. And they're just wonderful groups to work with.
Yeah, again, it's a lot of fun. We haven't done the cannon battle before, but we've certainly gone out there and have experienced everything else. In fact, we're usually out there several times a year. And even if we're just walking around and we go out to the tide pools or something like that, it's just a lot of fun. And the Ocean Institute is a great place to go, whether it's just yourself or taking kids or grandkids. It is really a very unique experience right here where you learn an awful lot. And you know, as you did not too long ago, you brought in the starfish, or they're not called starfish, right?
We're phasing out starfish from the scientific community,
right.
But it's technically not wrong.
Okay.
But we like to say sea stars.
Sea stars,
Sea stars, yeah, because fish have
That's
cartilage
true.
and these ones don't. But yeah, we have over 120 different species that are local to California's coastline in our facility that folks 7 days a week can come in and explore them, do hands-on science activities, whether it's dissecting a squid or learning about how scientists explore underwater with remotely operated vehicles. And we're going to display all of those great activities at the Tall Ships Festival too.
And beyond just that, as you said there, you walk around the whole area there, and there's so much to do. There's a lot of food that you can purchase. There's the pirates. They kind of have a pirate's den set up somewhere. Yes. And really all kinds of different activities for kids. And people come in, even local folks come in, and you have all the crafts there. And you can easily spend the whole day there. Now, what I want to ask you, and I know they've done this in the past, parking.
Yes.
Is it off-site again?
Correct.
Okay.
So parking will be off-site for the festival.
Okay.
We have 2 locations where you can park and take a free shuttle that will drop you off right in front of our ticketing booth. So you can park at Strand Vista parking lot up on PCH or at Dana Hills High School. We will have shuttles running about every 30 minutes. We will be able to fit everybody on there, and they'll take you directly down to the Ocean Institute. Those are going to start at 8:30, so if you're coming early for our mermaid breakfast, there should be no problem for you to park and take our shuttle. And then the shuttles will run until the last ship comes back in the evening until about 9:30 o'clock.
Okay, all right. And that actually works out really well. We've done that before. It's
the best way to have a stress-free festival experience is just park and then take that shuttle down.
Yeah, and great time to go down there. You really experience all that Dana Point Harbor has to offer. And just a couple of weeks ago, we had Supervisor Lisa Bartlett on, and we got an overview of what's going to be coming to the harbor over the next probably 5 years or so. But the Ocean Institute will still be there, remain open, and it's just expanded over the years and gotten better and better. It's a wonderful experience. Great to have you both on. And really just go online to oceaninstitute.org. From there, you'll see the link to the Tall Ships Festival and really everything that you can come down there. They got a great shop, and it's inexpensive to go to. I know you have certain days that are open free, right?
Our members come in every day for free, so we love our members. During the week, we offer tours, and they're very reasonably priced at $5. And then during the weekend, when you can explore on your own, it's $10 per person. So really reasonable.
Very good. Good to see you. And remember, oceaninstitute.com, and the Tall Ships Festival begins on September 7th. But if they want to see the ships come in, they can get down there Thursday, right?
Yeah, if you come down Thursday, you'll see the ships starting to line up right on our dock, and that's a beautiful sight in itself.
Is it usually in the afternoon?
They'll be in there Thursday morning.
Okay, so if you get a chance, that would be September 6th. Even though the festival isn't rolling yet, to just watch that, and parking will be easy that day, so that'll be a lot of fun. All right, we'll be right back.